Use ChatGPT to help with your on-page SEO. It isn't perfect, and there are other softwares out there, but this video is all about AI on a budget. Plus, most site builders like Wix have built-in AI for SEO to further increase the ranking score after using ChatGPT for the basics. ChatGPT uses Bing to find your site and review the content to give you SEO insights and ideas. If you want ChatGPT to specifically write optimized SEO content for your site, as you can see, it may not be able to perform this exact task. It will give you some good ideas based on the inputted details regarding your site and keywords though. You can also always go to your site and copy page content and then ask ChatGPT to perform the writing of subtitles, descriptions, etc. using the pasted content. Do this for every site page and implement it on your site builder for best results.